Imagine holding in your hands a fragment of Earth's ancient history, a fossil that has withstood the ravages of time and holds secrets spanning millions of years. Fossils are not merely remnants of long-extinct organisms. They are nature's time capsules, silently recording the evolution of life and unveiling the incredible journey from simple cells to complex species. Today, we embark on an in-depth exploration of the fossil record, a journey that will take us through transitional forms, groundbreaking discoveries, and the undeniable evidence that evolution has shaped every living creature on our planet. Stay with us until the very end, as you will discover how these ancient relics challenge creationist narratives and enrich our understanding of the history of life. The story begins in the depths of Earth's geological layers. Over millions of years, natural processes have preserved parts of organisms in sedimentary rock, forming fossils that tell a story of gradual change. The fossil record is like a vast, incomplete library of Earth's past, a chronicle of life etched in stone. Paleontologists painstakingly extract these records, using them to piece together how life evolved over time. From microscopic organisms to towering dinosaurs, each fossil is a clue in the grand puzzle of evolution. At its most basic level, evolution is a process driven by natural selection, where traits that enhance survival and reproduction become more common in successive generations. Fossils provide the tangible evidence for this process. For example, the successive layers of sediment in rock formations reveal gradual shifts in species, supporting the idea that modern forms descended from simpler ancestors. The fossil record is not random, it displays a chronological order that mirrors the theoretical timeline of evolution. One of the most fascinating aspects of the fossil record is the discovery of transitional form species that exhibit traits common to both ancestral and derived groups. Take Archaeopteryx, for instance. Found in the late Jurassic period, Archaeopteryx displays both reptilian and avian features. It has feathers like a bird, yet its bone structure and teeth are unmistakably reptilian. This creature bridges the gap between non-avian dinosaurs and modern birds, offering a living snapshot of evolutionary transition. Likewise, fossils like Tiktaalik rosy illuminate the transition from aquatic to terrestrial life. With features of both fish and amphibians, Tiktaalik provides crucial evidence of how vertebrates adapted to life on land. The fossil record also plays a pivotal role in our understanding of human evolution. Discoveries such as the Tong child and Australopithecus afarensis, famously known as Lucy, have shed light on our own origins. These fossils reveal a gradual transformation from ape-like ancestors to bipedal hominins capable of using tools and, eventually, developing language and culture. Each discovery adds to the evidence that modern humans are the product of a long, intricate evolutionary process marked by continuous adaptation and change. Yet, despite the overwhelming evidence supporting evolution, some argue against this viewpoint, citing gaps in the fossil record or sudden appearances of complex organisms as proof that life was created in its current form. However, when examined closely, these gaps are often the result of the incompleteness of preservation and the challenges of fossilization. Not every organism will fossilize, and many fossils have yet to be discovered. The patterns we do observe, however, are consistent with the predictions of evolutionary theory and demonstrate a remarkable sequence of change over vast periods. Recent technological advances have revolutionized how we study fossils. Modern imaging techniques like CT scanning and 3D reconstruction allow scientists to examine the internal structures of fossils without damaging them. These methods have unveiled previously hidden details, enabling more precise classifications and revealing subtle evolutionary transitions that were once obscured. In addition, genetic analysis of modern organisms provides a molecular complement to the fossil record. By comparing DNA sequences, scientists can trace the evolutionary relationships between species, corroborating the morphological evidence found in fossils and painting an ever more detailed picture of the tree of life. Fossils are also critical for understanding past climates and environments. By analyzing the types of plants and animals preserved in different layers, researchers can infer the conditions that existed millions of years ago. These insights help us understand how life has adapted to changing climates and, in turn, offer clues about how current and future climate change might affect the diversity of life on our planet. The interplay between biology and the environment is a recurring theme in the history of evolution, and fossils serve as invaluable records of that interaction. Beyond their scientific importance, fossils inspire wonder and connect us to the vast, dynamic history of life. Museums around the world showcase these remnants as both art and science, allowing the public to witness firsthand the incredible transformations that have taken place over millennia. They challenge us to consider our place in the natural world and to reflect on the profound forces that have shaped our existence. The cultural impact of fossil discoveries cannot be understated. Every time a new fossil is unearthed, it ignites debates and discussions both in scientific circles and in society at large. These findings challenge entrenched beliefs and push the boundaries of our understanding. They remind us that life on Earth is not static, but is a continually evolving phenomenon, one that connects all living organisms through an intricate web of ancestry. Critics often point to moments of apparent abrupt change in the fossil record as proof that evolution is flawed. Yet, the theory of punctuated equilibrium offers an explanation. Evolution is not always a slow, gradual process. At times, long periods of stasis are interrupted by relatively rapid bursts of change, often triggered by environmental upheavals or mass extinctions. This model not only fits the fossil data but also aligns with our understanding of natural selection operating under changing conditions. Looking forward, the future of paleontological research is bright. New fossil discoveries, combined with innovative technologies, promise to fill in the remaining gaps in our knowledge. As we continue to refine our techniques and expand our exploration of Earth's depths, we can expect to uncover even more evidence that illuminates the grand narrative of life. In summary, fossils are far more than mere remnants trapped in stone. They are the definitive evidence of evolution. They chronicle the extraordinary journey from simple life forms to complex organisms, offering us a tangible link to our distant past. By studying fossils, we gain not only insight into the mechanisms of evolution, but also a deeper appreciation for the intricate, interconnected web of life that has shaped our planet over billions of years. Our exploration today demonstrates that evolution is supported by an extensive and continually growing body of evidence. From transitional fossils that bridge major evolutionary gaps to detailed studies of human ancestry, every discovery reinforces the dynamic nature of life on Earth. The fossil record challenges static creationist narratives, replacing them with a story of gradual transformation driven by natural forces and the relentless march of time. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Earth's ancient history. If this exploration into the unmistakable evidence of evolution has sparked your curiosity, please like this video, subscribe to SCI Discovery Chronicles, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What fossil discovery do you find the most fascinating? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the timeless wonders of life on Earth.